So what I will be unboxing today will be obviously the Quest 3 headset. I also have the blue head strap, so I decided to pop a bit of color in. I really liked that Meta introduced a bit of color with this rendition, and I also got the carry case for it as well. I just wanted to like unbox them and have a look. Okay, so this is the carry case. Let's open it up and have a look. Ooh. Okay, this looks cool. Looks like they've got like, oh, they've got a compartment for you to put your cables in. That's actually sweet. And it looks like they've got a couple of holes for you to put the controller in so they sit nicer. I'm looking forward to using that. All right, what should we open next? Head strap? Cool. Where the hell's the strap? Okay, there it is. It's actually such a nice blue. Ooh, here it is. From the actual images, the padding on this looked like it was a rubbery texture, but upon closer inspection, it's actually like a more like swimsuit material. It's gonna be good for absorbing sweat, I guess. And then we've got a strap as well. Compared to the Quest 2, you've got these little holes in the arms, and that's because the plugins happen at where the arm connects. So we'll have to wait and see how that all fits together. Now for the big guy. I can't believe how much smaller this is. Okay, here we go. So upon opening, come all nice and packaged up neatly. The new controllers. Old controller, new controller. Definitely a lot sexier feeling, a lot heavier as well. And the actual headset itself. Okay, here's the headset. It is so much thinner, actually. So there's another little slot or compartment in here. I'm guessing this has got all the cables in it. Got another USB-C charger, got a USB-C cable. Yep, as expected. Cool. The pancake lenses look amazing. Wow, they just look sexy. They don't have that lined image sort of look. That's obviously one of the pancake features. Oh, they're stunning. All right, let's pop it on. Maybe I need to tighten it here. Oh yeah, that feels all right. Not bad. Swap the headpiece over, I got the blue one. Boom. You can see in here, that's where the little speakers are as well. This has apparently got a lot better spatial audio. Pops in fairly easy. Oh, sexy. Wow. Let's actually compare it to the two. Whoa, it looks so much cooler. I have the Elite strap with the Quest 2. Yeah, those lenses look so much better. They're definitely what make it thinner. Let's test it out in the new case as well. Fits in there nice and neatly. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna charge it up and then have a go of it, and then I'm probably gonna come back and do like a review or comparison video. But in a nutshell, that is me unboxing this little bad boy. Oh, I love it. I love that it's got color. Bye.